ABC birds.
A.
A is for African grey parrot.
B.
B is for blue jay.
C.
C is for Cardinal.
D.
D is for duck.
E.
E is for egret.
F.
F is for flamingo.
G.
G is for goldfinch.
H.
H is for heron.
I.
I is for ibisbill.
J.
J is for Jabiru.
K.
K is for Kingfisher.
L.
L is for Lyrebird.
M.
M is for Macaw.
N.
N is for Nightingale.
O.
O is for owl.
P.
P is for pigeon.
Q.
Q is for quail.
R.
R is for rooster.
S.
S is for sparrow.
T.
T is for toucan.
U.
U is for Ultramarine Grosbeak.
V.
V is for vulture.
W.
W is for woodpecker.
X.
X is for Xanthus's hummingbird.
Y.
Y is for yellow warbler.
Z.
Z is for zebra finch. Let's repeat and learn the alphabet with birds.
A.
A is for albatross.
B.
B is for blackbird.
C.
C is for crow.
D.
D is for dove.
E.
E is for eagle.
F.
F is for falcon.
G.
G is for great tit.
H.
H is for hawk.
I.
I is for Inca Tern.
J.
J is for Jacana.
K.
K is for Kestrel.
L.
L is for Linnet.
M.
M is for Moorhen.
N.
N is for nuthatch.
O.
O is for ostrich.
P.
P is for puffin.
Q.
Q is for kulea.
R.
R is for razorbill.
S.
S is for seagull.
T.
T is for turkey.
U.
U is for unicolored jay.
V.
V is for vermilion flycatcher.
W.
W is for wren.
X.
X is for Zolmis dominicanus.
Y.
Y is for yellow-billed cardinal.
Z.
Z is for Zapata Sparrow. Let's repeat and learn the alphabet with bird names.
A.
A is for avocet.
B.
B is for bald eagle.
C.
C is for crane.
D.
D is for dunnock.
E.
E is for robin.
F.
F is for frigate bird.
G.
G is for goose.
H.
H is for Hummingbird.
I.
I is for Indian Blue Robin.
J.
J is for Jackdaw.
K.
K is for Kite.
L.
L is for Lapwing.
M.
M is for Magpie.
N.
N is for Northern Mockingbird.
O.
O is for Osprey.
P.
P is for Penguin.
Q.
Q is for Quailfinch.
R.
R is for Redpoll.
S.
S is for Stork.
T.
T is for Thrush.
U.
U is for Ural Owl.
V.
V is for Varied Lorikeet.
W.
W is for Waxwing.
X.
X is for Xenops.
Y.
Y is for Yellow-knobbed Curassow.
Z.
Z is for Zitting Cisticola. Thank you for watching this video on Kiddopedia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.